Let's see if we can put the fella together. Got a bit of PLA there, which will be the hinge. Hope it was a bit straighter, but I don't think that's going to matter. So these are little washers I've printed to take place. The design actually shows that bit on both sides, but I've cut it off in editing so that we could print it flat without having to have support layer underneath it. But somehow we got to get that in place. I suppose I could glue it, but I'm not going to. Stuck to my finger. So we've got his arms. And then this will be the awkward bit. I've got to get that. I've got some different shaped tweezers. All right, as it happens, I got a set there. I think they came from Poundland. Oh, hang on. That's got to go on first. Oh, this is going to be quite awkward. And we got to get that in there. Probably would have been easier to have glued it in place. Come on. Through. There we go. And then that one. Sit on there. And then that one. And then he would normally, if I hadn't cut the pegs off, fit down there. I've just realised I've done him upside down. Oh no. Oh dear, I've got to take it apart again. They're supposed to come up from underneath. Right, start again. Yeah, probably would have been easier to have glued them in place. Little washers I'm talking about. I got there. Right, okay, I'll put a spot of glue on there just to hold his head on, and then we'll find a slope to run him down. Oh yes. Well, there you go. He needs to carry something in his left hand. Well, I think that'll do. We could spend all night doing this. Yeah, it works. Link will be in the video description to download the files from Thingiverse. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.